guys. So yun, nakita niyo dito guys, si Sis Joanne yun. Diba? Kahit mainit guys, but still looking beautiful. Charis! Ayun. Nag-init na tayo guys. So I think I need na payong until this time guys. No? Uminit na tayo. Ma-melt na yung makeup ko dito guys. Na to make me keep on looking fresh and beautiful. Charis. To guys, to keep on looking, make me glow. Ano na lang pinag-iisip guys. So I hope you enjoy din me guys na while I'm walking. So you go then with me guys. You are watching over there. So have a blessed day everyone. Kumusta ang Saturday nyo dyan guys? Ayan. I feel mainit na dito guys. I think nakalimutan ko today mag sunblock.
Hello my beautiful.
Yeah. So I need it. So dito it feels fresh here. Kasi dyan guys, diba? Parang saan akong bukid guys, naglakad palabas. It feels good.
Edgar ma'am.
So enjoy the moment guys. Bakit tumitingin sa akin yung mga tao, Charis? Pag nakasalubong nila ako. Maybe yung face ko is sobra sa sobrang red. So anyway, thank you so much guys to all of you there. Hello. So dito na ako guys. Video ko lang ang paglalakad ko guys. So hindi ko malalaman na dito na ako sa highway. Malapit na sa highway guys. Going out. O, diba? Kinikwento ko lang guys. Oh. Need payong at the part of the weather is guys, mainit. Ang doon guys. Oh. Ilog dyan sa likuran. Gulat siguro sa akin si kuya. Anong pinag-ano ko dyan. Pawis na ako tuloy guys. Ang ko. Wow, it looks it looks fresh. Na. Daming mangga dyan guys oh. Binalot pa. Diba? So it feels good. Thank you. See you next again guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat and God bless us. Bye!